Before you open a textbook or attend orientation, download these apps first. I mean it. These 4 apps saved my sanity in nursing school. Most students don't even find out about them until they're drowning in clinicals, papers, and caffeine. Don't do that to yourself. If you're a new or incoming student, this is a video that I wish someone had made for me. I'll be sharing not only what the apps are, but how to use them, which features to skip, and how to use them to hack your schedule, your studying, and how to make surviving clinicals even easier. So stick with me because number 1 and number 4 pair together perfectly. Please like, share, and subscribe so I can continue to bring you this content. Hi, it's April. It's nice to have you back to the channel. Let's kick things off with the app Notion. If you're not using it yet, you're really cheating yourself. It has both free and paid features. Why it's powerful. This app is basically your digital brain. It helps you organize schedules. I use Notion to build out my entire weekly labs, study hall, study group, and it's very customizable. You can use different colors to highlight things. You can utilize different folders to keep things in order. The free plan on Notion, you get 5 people that can projects that you're working on. So if you have 4 study partners, you can link up and all work at once on the same project. There's unlimited data. There is some limited AI functions available for the nursing, because a lot of us don't have too much money. I would recommend the free option. That's really what's recommended for more of the personal use kind of thing. There's also the paid version, which allows you to have an unlimited amount of people working on a project at a time. It has greater upload of size of file capability and availability to access all of the AI tools and increased security protocols. I remember in my second week of nursing, I was juggling 3 exams, a care plan, and a clinical assignment. Notion helped me break it down into small, manageable. So my hack for this app is to set yourself up a weekly, assign a color to each subject, and assign a due date tag to each, and just check out a lot of the templates. There's a bunch of nursing templates in there that should make your life a lot easier. Seriously, if you've never tried Notion before, it really is worth your time. Give it a try. Just download it, try a template. Your future self is gonna. Number 2 is one that I've known for both of my nursing programs. So it's been around quite a while, and that's Medscape. It has just a treasure trove of information. It has information for you to easily research medication. It has information for you to research lab values. It has information on diagnosis. It has just a wealth of information that you could need to know while researching your patients. Never heard of, and we need to know quickly what interactions different medications have. So this app is also free, and it is only free. It manages to maintain that status by having ads in it. Ads are a bummer, I got that. But sometimes they're actually worth it because the amount of information included in this one app is without parallel. The other thing that's really amazing that was really challenging for me when I was in my first program was finding something to be able to get the calculations for different medication dosing. And this one has several different medication dosing calculators in it. And it has different equations in it for different things, like if you need to calculate a patient's GFR or glomerular rate in order to know if it's safe for them to have contrast with a CAT scan. There's also podcasts on there. It does have some free education on there. I haven't delved into that, but it does have free education. My hack for this is to save the top 20 medicines that you give routinely in a folder, and you will find that you'll be able to use this as a really valuable cheat sheet and will save you time. This also helps you prevent blank stares when you're in rounds and something comes up that you just don't know. All right, let's be honest. Nursing school is very stressful. Between exams and anxiety, it won't help you memorize lab values, but it will help you stop spiraling at 2 a.m. It's called Unplugged, and it's hands down one of the best meditation apps, and it really helped me keep my anxiety down when part of our... So app number Unplugged. It's a science-based meditation app that is designed with separate meditations as short as a minute. They're for anxiety, they could be for sleep, they could be for focus or burnout. We've all had days where there's just a bunch of things going on and we're just having a hard time focusing, so they have meditations for as little as a minute that could help get you right back into the flow. They also have emergency calm downs. I recommend that right before you take exams or right before you walk into the clinical setting, because both can be very anxiety provoking. But you've got this. You're studying, you're putting in all the hard work, and meditation, this is just very basic, just meant to help read a little bit and get you right back on your path for career. I've tried the usual Headspace and Calm. Unplugged feels more updated and modern. It uses teachers, healthcare professionals. I use it between study blocks or before bed. You can do a 2-minute meditation right before clinicals. And it even has longer meditations. The grind of nursing school takes a toll. And it helped me stay mentally sharp to complete my nursing program. I'm going to leave a link in the description because it has a free trial. Go ahead. Forest. But low-key my favorite, Forest, the one for procrastinators. It's a product lab, but low-key my favorite, Forest. It's the one for procrastinators. If you remember earlier in this video, I mentioned that number 1 and number 4 were going to go together very well. And here we go. It's a productivity gamifies focus. You plant a virtual tree, and if you leave the app to go to Spotify or if you leave the app to go to TikTok, your tree dies. Now this is both free and paid versions, so decide what works better for you. Again, you're on kind of small. A lot of us don't make too much during nursing school, so free might be the best thing for you. So what you do is you plant trees, you get focused and earn. I use this during my studying blocks. I do 25 minutes of hardcore studying, 5 minutes of relaxation playing, and then it was oddly satisfying how it was to see all of the trees grow. This app could be challenging studying material, but so you pair Notion with Forest is you use Notion to make your schedule to determine when you're going to be doing different activities, and then you use Forest to help. And if your attention span is all over the place, give this app a chance. It really helped me focus, and I think it might help you too. It's very important on all. No sponsor. I'm not being sponsored by any of these apps. This is just what helped me in nursing school, and I wanted to share it with others. So there you have it. 4 apps that will literally change the way you experience nursing. Notion for planning like a pro, Meds for surviving clinicals, Unplug, relax and rejuvenate, for procrastination. Download these before day 1, and you're going to be. Let me know in the comments below. Have you tried any of these? Have you tried all of them? Is there anything that you think I should? If you'd like any more content like that, please comment down below. I'd love to be more engaged with you on your journey through nursing school and beyond. And thank you very much for coming today. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.